Hi there, this is Amit and in this video I'll be showing you the all new Realme Q smartphone which is launching in China on September 5th. So let's get started. Friends, before I start this video, let me quickly reiterate you this that Realme has been launching all of these smartphones first in India and then taking few of them to the Chinese markets in the later stage. But except one of those phones, which was the Realme X, for which few of us had actually traveled to China for the launch event in China, following which probably after a few weeks they had launched the Realme X in India. But if you're talking about the next upcoming smartphone in China is the Realme Q, about which there have been many rumors that it would be coming with probably 8 megapixel camera, 64 megapixel camera, 48 megapixel camera, but I would like to clearly tell you that according to my sources, this is going to be the Realme Q smartphone with a 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel secondary camera and 2+2 megapixel of macro and depth sensor in this smartphone, plus a 16 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh of battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. Considering that these are all the specifications of this upcoming Realme Q smartphone, I'm sure if you have been watching our other videos, you would have already guessed it right. Well, this is the Realme 5 Pro smartphone which was already launched in India, available to purchase in India, but then this will be going on sale in the global market, the Chinese market, as the Realme Q smartphone. So if you are probably waiting to buy the upcoming smartphone, then I think you already can buy this in India, while the Realme Q is going to be only China limited and is going to be the Realme 5 Pro smartphone. So you don't have to wait and you don't have to even think that there would be some other smartphone, because Realme has already confirmed that in the month of September they would be probably launching only one smartphone again, which we have already showed you in this channel itself, which is the Realme XT, which comes with a 64 megapixel camera sensor. So I'm sure you don't have to wait, and in fact, if I would like to quickly update you, we are also doing a giveaway of the Realme 5 Pro smartphone on our channel. You can check out the link in description to know more about the same. Again, I'm hoping that you guys actually got to know something new, that Realme Q is not something you should look forward to because it's already available in India. So if you think this video was useful to you, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and at the same time stay tuned on this channel. Again, in our other channel, which is the Hindi channel, we are doing a 30 giveaways in the month of September. So 30 days, 30 videos, 30 giveaways. So stay tuned on the other channel. Again, you can find all the links in description to know more about the same. That's it, guys. This was a quick update about the upcoming Realme Q smartphone, which would be launching in the Chinese market on September 5th. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to this channel for more videos. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and bye.